Hi, this is Teresa from GameLab. To launch a game of the SodaPop game, first go to the URL indicated by GameLab and click on Teacher. Then log in with your email and password. In the side menu, click on Games and then on the button Start New Game. Here you will find the game code. Share it with the players so they can enter this simulation. Remember that the players will access using the same URL as you. Choose a name to recognize the game and select Scenario. If you haven't set up a scenario, no problem. You can use one of the experience designed by us. As the teams enter the game, you will see them appear here. When all of the teams have logged in, click on Start New Game and the simulation will begin. During the game, you will have access to this console. If you click here, you will be able to visit the scenario settings. Be careful, if you show this information to the teams, they will reveal the demands and the contracts of the game. Below, you will see the ranking of the teams in real time. If you click on the arrow icon, you will download a file with the ranking. The eye icon will allow you to see the ranking on the screen, so that you will be able to show to the teams during the simulation. If you wish, you can access a team screen by clicking on the eye icon. With the buttons on the right, you can pause the simulation and resume it, or finish it completely. In addition, the history button will download a file with all the data of the game. This can be very useful for teams to analyze their performance when the game is over. When the game is over, you will see the following message. If you go back to the Games tab, you will see the history of past games and you will be able to download the data for each one. Want to know more? Write us! Bye!